Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a fresh video. So today we're going to do some price analysis on Kava in both USDT and the BTC pairings. First up, what we'll do is just check a look at the general market sentiment, have a look at how the market dominance is doing, and we'll just have a brief look at Ethereum because we do know it is starting to push on now and create some new all-time highs. So here we have a Bitcoin dominance currently at 49.55%. We was holding up well here against 50%. 50% held up very, very well, but we have lost that now. And we have still not had a bounce. I mean, all the way from that drop up at 62%, we've had not much of a bounce. I mean, we did try to hold on to 57% for a while, but lost that straight away. Come down to this level. Had a few wicks to the downside at 52. Bang. Straight down now to 40. Well, we dropped down to 49.19. So, in general, things are looking good for altcoins and this inevitable alt season that we're all waiting for. Phase 2 of the alt season is usually Ethereum breaking out and decoupling and performing better than BTC. So all in all, things are looking good at a minute. Looking at the Ethereum BTC, this is what we're mainly concerned about. We want this just to keep pushing. If we just look at this on a weekly time frame, I'll tell you what, we'll just change it to the let's change to the line and zoom right out, and I'll just show you how much we've got to travel in terms of all-time highs on the Satoshi pairs. Look at that, 204%. We are massively undervalued on the Satoshi pair. So in general, I still am very, very bullish on altcoins, and I'm expecting a major breakout soon. We are starting to perform better than BTC, but we are yet to do a major parabolic breakout. So starting off with the Tether pair, this is a weekly time frame on Binance. Looking at MACD to start off with, it looks like we're about to form a bearish cross and the histogram has pretty much run out of steam. So not looking the best, but that is always a good time for us to potentially look at getting some orders filled. So this is a weekly time frame. Let's just have a zoom out and see what's been going on recently. That will be the all-time highs up there at... what price did we get there? $8.14. So we'll just mark it up with the horizontal line. Bang, there we go. So that will give us a place to look at targeting in the future. So looking at the daily time frame, here you can see very similar scenario. Looks like we are starting to drop off. Potentially that could have been the 618 level, but let's have a quick look on Fibonacci. So that was the start of the move. That was the top of the move. Oh, we'd even dropped lower. We did that 78% retracement. So if you're ever looking to buy, I always target these levels here. So we have hit that area at $3.90 and bounced. We didn't close a daily candle below that 786 level. So that in my views does show that that is the bottom of the entire move. So what we need to do now is have a look for potential buys. We're actually currently using the 618 level as support. We've bounced down there twice. Looking at the MACD, it looks like we're about to get a bullish cross to the upside, which is quite in contrast to that weekly time frame. So on the lower time frame, it is looking a bit more bullish. In terms of buys, I would be looking at buys. So that is out of the question now. I would look at buys at this level here at 480. I think anywhere around that level could be a decent buy. In reality, if the market does get a bit of wobble out, we may come back down and test the 786 level, which is at 390. But I would just ladder some orders in. So anywhere from this 618 level at 480 down to 390, you should be able to pick some Kava up at them prices. So if you do manage to pick some up, and we do really start to push on, the first major target is breaking through this 382 level here. If we just mark it up as well, horizontal rate, we'll just make it a nice thick line so we can see what's going on. There we go. So that is the first major target, getting through $6.10. As you can see, we use that area support quite a few times, moving around here. Once you do break above there, then the all-time high is the next major target, and then we can start looking at the extensions on the Fibonacci. So we have 965 and 1155. I think my first major area, once we've got through both of these, is breaking that $10 mark, that magical $10. I think once they do push above there, well, definitely above 8.10, we will start to $10 and regain that all-time highs. So that is some buy zones and sell zones if you're looking to take profit on the Tether pair. If we just take a quick look at a BTC pair as well, because I know people do like to stack sats, including myself. Zoom right into this. So this is a Binance chart. Let's just start from a weekly time frame, see what's going on there. Zoom right out. So I presume that is all-time highs up there. So we've been up to 46,857 Satoshi. So that is the major target to get. We did hit that back in August the 20th, 2017. 17th for August 2020. And that's when pretty much DeFi had that major boom and most projects did hit those all-time highs. Let me just go back a second just to confirm something. Where's Kava Tether? I've lost it. There it is. Yeah, so that was the highs that we hit back in August, up at 547. We have done that major retracement, pop back up and create some new all-time highs. So yeah, going back to the BTC pair, it's still massively undervalued. We did quite a significant drop if we just look at that in terms of price. From them all-time highs in Satoshis, look at that, we did a bloody 92% drop. So hopefully some people haven't been burnt too much, but it looks like we're back on the move again. So dropping into the daily time frame, we'll use this for our analysis. Have a zoom right in. So we'll just look at this entire move here and have a look at some buys. If you're looking to trade in Satoshis, we'll use this here. So we have wicked down to that 76% level on that move, but looking at the entire move, your buys is this 618 level. We did wick down to it, picked some liquidity here, and bang, popped straight back up. I think if you're looking to buy and set some orders, let's just have a look at MACD. Yeah, the MACD is about to tick bullish, so that's looking quite good. So you may not get some orders filled down here. I think the next area to target for buys is this 50% retracement fib at 8,771 sats. I think that is probably the most likely area that you're going to get filled. Very close to the current price, currently at 9,426. So 8,771 is the area I'd say for potential buys. In terms of targets, first major area to break through is this recent high up at 13,878 sats. And then we can start to target these fib extensions at 16,672 and then 20,000 Satoshi. So some buy zones there on both the Tether pair and the BTC pair of Kava, and just some general market sentiment there. So if you do have any questions about Kava or any other project, jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find that link in the pinned comment in the description. If you are not already, then please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and I'll catch you next time.